I don't believe artists have to starve. Being a starving artist is pointless. Thanks to technologies like 3D printing, there are so many worlds that have opened up to artists of all types, including many passive forms of income. If you're not familiar with passive income, this is what most rich people do to stay rich. It basically means that you are putting your work in at the beginning, and then as people want to order your product, someone else is doing all the work. So you can make sculptures, jewelry, even electronics and clothing now, and not have to keep stock, not even have to go to the post office. Hi, my name is Lincoln, and over the last 4 years, I've taught a lot of people how to use high-tech tools to create art and inventions. I realized the best way to teach the most people would be to write a book. The NeoArtist is a book that I'm working on based on a lecture that I do, as well as consultations to different creative clients. It's mostly a book about how to take modern technology and build all sorts of crazy products with it. You can do it just for yourself, but if you really want to get into marketing your stuff, there's a whole huge section on marketing, free advertising. The book has sections on free software, hardware that you can get access to. There's services that I list that I've used that are great. So if you want to learn about the latest technology that artists are using to make really cool stuff, or you want to learn more about having a business or even grow the business you have, go ahead and pledge right now over there, maybe probably over there, and just go ahead and join in. We've got the ebook, we've got a physical book, there's some jewelry that I make that's available. Just join in on the Kickstarter and help get this whole thing going. I worked for about a dozen years in the animation industry, and sometimes it was a lot of fun. A lot of times it was not a lot of fun, mainly because they'd make us work tons of overtime and not pay us a dime for it. One weekend, it was pretty late on a Friday night, the boss came in and said, "All right, everybody, I need you guys to put in about 30, 35 hours this weekend." And I said, "Are you going to pay us anything for it?" He said, "No." And I said, "Are you going to at least come in and say hi to us?" He said, "Oh, no, my wife and I just bought a new boat, so we're going to go like sailing around and stuff." That was the moment I realized it was time to retire and figure out how to make my own money as an artist. Working for other people when they don't even pay you, making them rich so they can buy a boat, doesn't make any sense to me. So I went on a long journey. The first couple years were a nightmare. Trying all these different ideas, I spent a ton of money and even more time. But thanks to high technology, I've been able to make a business where I've sold over $200,000 worth of products. The whole point of this book is to teach other artists, other creative people, other makers how to do the exact same thing.